We've all seen this formula, haven't we? It's almost certainly cropped up in maths class, the teacher telling you to memorize it for later. But in this video, I will go over why the famous quadratic formula works and how we arrive at it. Factorizing. It's the first way we learn to solve quadratic equations, although it's highly limited to only a few cases, like when there's no constant or when we can easily find its factors, like in this case, where it just becomes x plus 2 times x minus 3. Now, this factoring principle is going to be very important for us, as for some quadratics like this one, we can factorize them, and the two factors are the same, so we can just write it as one of them squared, like this. Now, this is the key for how we can solve any quadratic, the simple fact that we can write them like this. If we look closer at this form, where we have something squared, like the x plus 1 from earlier, it doesn't matter what constant it's equal to, unlike when there are two different factors, as once we square root the constant, it remains just that, a constant. Just take a look. Now let's try and exploit this. Here's a mean quadratic. Now let's try and solve it, without the quadratic formula, and trust me, it's not factorable, at least not easily. Let us use our little trick from earlier. But how? We need a factorized term, but this isn't factorable. But wait, we still have that property, that as long as we only have constants on the right, it's fine. So what if we took away a constant amount to make it factor easily? So let's take a look. Let's assume ax plus b squared equals 2x squared plus x plus c. Since our constant doesn't matter, we leave it as a variable because we can change it later. Well, let's expand the left to get this. We can match each term to its corresponding term, which leaves us with a squared times x squared equals 2x squared, meaning a equals the square root of 2, and then 2abx equals x. We can then sub in our value for a, and we get this, meaning b equals 1 over 2 square root of 2. We can then use this to get c to be b squared, or just 1 over 8. So now we have that 2x squared plus x plus 1 over 8 simplifies to the square root of 2x plus 1 over 2 square root of 2 squared. So now we can make our original equation into that, by adding the amount necessary to turn minus 5 into 1 over 8, which would be 41 over 8. Now, if we add that to both sides, we are left with this. And we know what our left becomes, so let's sub that in. Now, all our x terms are in the square, so we can square root it hassle-free, leaving us with this, the plus or minus being very important as 41 over 8 has two square roots. Now the rest is basic to solve, and we get x is equal to this, which simplifies to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 41, all divided by 4. So now, doing that for every quadratic we come across is a bit annoying. So how about we turn it into a formula, the formula for all quadratics. Our starting equation will be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the general form of all quadratics. Let's do the first step and find out our closest factor. So let's assume px plus q squared equals ax squared plus bx plus d, d being our required constant. Let's solve it. We get p equals the square root of a, q equals b over 2 times the square root of a, and d equals b squared over 4a. So now we know that we need our constant to be this, b squared over 4a. So now we need to subtract c minus b squared over 4a from both sides to make our equation into this, leaving us with this. We can now use our factor for the left and get square root of ax plus b over 2 times the square root of a, all squared, which equals the rest. Then we can square root both sides, remembering the plus or minus, and solve the remaining equation, leaving us with this, an absolute mess which simplifies like this. It simplifies completely to the formula we all know and love. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. Thank you. I hope you learned something new, and have a nice day.